Okay, so for today, we will be solving inverse functions. So generally, inverse functions reverses the process of the function. So we have 4 steps in solving for this. The first one is to change f of x to y. Okay, so this f of x here will become y. So generally, it will become y equals. Then you will just copy the other side, all over 7. Okay, second step is to trade x and y places. So basically x will become y and y will become x. So this y here will become x and this x here will become y. Okay, so we'll have x equals 3 y squared plus 2 all over 7. Okay, so because x here is squared, when you trade x and y places, y will be squared as well. Alright, and then the next one is we will solve for y. So number 3 is solve for y. So generally, to solve for y, we should not have any fractions on either side of our equation. So to eliminate the denominator here, we will multiply everything by 7. This one is cancelled out. What I have left here is 7x equals 3y squared plus 2. Okay? And then, because we are solving for y, we will transpose 2 to the other side. Okay? And it will be 7x minus 2 equals 3y squared. Alright? And y squared here has a coefficient, so we will divide everything by 3. This one is cancelled out. And what's left here is y squared equals 7x minus 2 all over 3. And then to get y, I have to get the square root of both sides of the equation. So this one will be cancelled out. So here, continuing here, I will have y equals the square root of 7x minus 2 all over 3. And then the last one is, the last step is change y to f of negative 1x. F negative 1 of x. This one will just be f negative 1. Remember that the negative 1 is not an exponent. It's just a notion that this is the inverse of this particular function. So with the square root of 7x minus 2 all over 3. This is now your inverse function. Bye.